Welcome students. My name is Pratiksha Marathe, Assistant Professor from Government College KPM Goa. So today's program is Bachelor of Science, 3rd year. Subject is Botany, Semester 6. Course code is BOC 109. Course title is Molecular Biology and Genetic Engineering. Title of unit is Applications of Genetic Engineering. Module name is Transgenic Crops with Improved Quality Traits, Flavor Saver Tomato and Golden Rice. Outline: Transgenic crops with improved quality traits, Flavor Saver Tomato, Golden Rice. Learning outcomes are: defines transgenic crop, describes Flavor Saver Tomato, describes Golden Rice. Transgenic crops are basically genetically modified organisms which are altered in vitro by a genetic engineering methods. A transgenic crop, it is made by transfer of genes which has occurred using the recombinant DNA technology. Generally, a transgenic crop contains one or more genes that have been inserted artificially either from an unrelated plant or from different species altogether. Plant genomes can be engineered by physical methods or by use of agrobacterium for the delivery of sequences hosted in tDNA, that is transfer DNA binary vectors. So approaches to improve traits in transgenic plants. So there are various approaches to improve the desired traits in the transgenic plants. For example, resistance against the biotic stresses like insects, bacterial and the fungal pathogens. Resistance against the abiotic stresses like cold, drought, heat, acidity, metal, then toxicity, etc. Herbicide resistance, then improvement in vitamin content. For example, you can introduce a different genes which can code for the different vitamins. For example, vitamin A, B. Then improvement in nutritional quality. For example, for the essential elements. Then production of edible vaccines. Then production of hybrid seed by using sterility fertility restoration system. Then improvement of fruit quality by delayed ripening and bruise resistance. Then development of seedless fruits. For example, we have watermelon. Then molecular farming. Then improved agricultural traits and transgenic plants for other different traits which you have desired. Flavor Saver Tomato. Softening of the fruit is largely due to the degradation of the cell wall which is made up of pectin by the enzyme polygalacturonase. The gene responsible for PG, the rotting enzyme, has been cloned, that is PTOME6. Calagen, one of the small biotechnology company based in the California, has proposed that reducing the production of polygalacturonase substantially decrease the softening of the fruit. The genetic manipulation of polygalacturonase by antisense RNA approach. So, the first step is the isolation of the DNA from tomato plant that encodes the enzyme polygalacturonase. Second, the transfer of this PG gene to a vector bacteria and the production of complementary DNA molecules. The third step is the introduction of complementary DNA into a fresh tomato plant to produce a transgenic plant. So what is the mechanism behind this PG antisense RNA approach? So first, in the normal tomato plant, that is PG gene, it encodes a normal sense mRNA that produces the enzyme polygalacturonase that is actively involved in the fruit ripening. The complementary DNA of PG encodes for antisense mRNA, which is complementary to normal sense mRNA. The hybridization between the sense and the antisense mRNA, it renders the sense mRNA ineffective. So the mRNA, that is the sense mRNA which was actively producing the PG genes, it is now being ineffective because it has hybridized with the sense because it has been hybridized with the complementary antisense mRNA. So consequently, no polygalacturonase is produced, hence fruit ripening is delayed. The rise and fall of Flavor Saver tomato. Flavor Saver tomato was approved by US Food and Drug Administration on 18th May 1994. The FDA ruled that Flavor Saver tomatoes are as safe as tomatoes that are bred by conventional means, and therefore no special labeling is required. But the new tomato was capable of resisting rot for more than 3 weeks, double the time of a conventional tomato. Although the Flavor Saver was launched with a great fanfare in 1995, it did not fulfill the expectation for the following reason. First, the transgenic tomatoes could not be grown properly in the different parts of the USA. Second, the yield of the tomato was very low. And the third, the cost of Flavor Saver was high. Golden rice. Golden rice is a variety of rice, scientific name Oryza sativa, produced through genetic engineering. To overcome vitamin A deficiency, it was proposed to genetically manipulate rice to produce beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A in the rice endosperm. The presence of beta-carotene in the rice, it gives a characteristic yellow or orange color. Hence, the pro-vitamin A enriched rice was appropriately considered as a golden rice. Biosynthetic pathway for the formation of beta-carotene. The genetic manipulation to produce golden rice, it required the introduction of the 3 genes encoding the enzymes. First is the phytoin synthase, second carotene desaturase, and the third one is the lycopene beta cyclase. So it took about 7 years to insert these 3 genes for developing golden rice. So this is the basic pathway of formation of beta carotene. We have the isoprenoid units by the sequential addition will give geranyl diphosphate. So this geranyl diphosphate in the presence of enzyme, first enzyme, that is the phytoin synthase, it produces phytoin. It produces phytoin. This phytoin in the presence of enzyme carotene desaturase, it produces lycopene. Lycopene then in the presence of enzymes lycopene beta cyclase, it finally produces a beta carotene, which is a precursor for the vitamin A. These are the references. Thank you.